What's up? Finally getting around to doing this challenge. The Krazy Kimberlin Challlenge bar. I got this a while ago and I've been stalling like crazy. This was re-released on Black Friday. So I've had it sitting around for a couple of months. And I wasn't in good shape to do it, but I'm not gonna wait any longer. Half a pound of chocolate from Willie Pete's Chocolates, makers of the Moab bar, and this is Krazy Kimberlin's exclusive bar. These are made to order. Open this carefully. Yeah. I'm nervous. Really nervous about this because I did the Coco Loco Choco Challenge and Brian from Willie Pete's was there, and I said I would take first place in this. So let's hope my butt can cash that check. This is bar 22 out of 100 made. Willie Pete's is a veteran-owned company from Connecticut, and there's the Veteran Crisis Hotline back there. Check out Willie Pete's at williepeacechocolate.com. You get the Moab there. Alright. Oh, shit. Well, there's a little smudge on it. This, I'm not gonna attempt to like slam it now or anything, but it is solid. It's been sitting up here a couple of hours, and New Jersey's cold. I had this a couple months sitting there. Underneath this here in case anything falls. Alright, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm not gonna break it, I'm just gonna hold it like this. I'm really nervous. Maybe I'll get some melting on my fingers. So I think the time to beat is 150 maybe. There seems to be only one person in the challenge wall, on the Wall of Fame for this one. I hope I can beat that right now. Let's see. Oh, I have I'm gonna put the timer up, but let me start this one for myself. All right. Hope my teeth can take this. And Didn't do as good as I thought I would. Yeah, that wasn't. I actually did better with the Moab. Wow. Little piece of bacon. I think I got 310. We'll see once I edit the timer into that. Sorry guys, I expected to do better in this one. It was a little hard to chew with my teeth, how they are. Who knows? Maybe I'll give it another shot. I'm not sure if this was my my best opportunity, but the you saw my bar; it wasn't melted. Let's see. Should I wait the 5 minutes? Very good chocolate. Just could enjoy that slowly with some milk. Pretty hot. Pretty hot stuff. I don't know what I did here. I hit lap. I think it's 309. I think my time was 309 right there. I believe first place holder is 150. That's pretty fast. But I'd say his was easier. He said he lives in California and the edges of his bar weren't even defined. They were pretty smudged up and looked pretty soft. So I don't know how this one got like that, because it's freaking it's pretty cold in New Jersey. And it's been like that for a bit. So hey, thanks for watching. Wasn't bad. Pretty good chocolate, just like the Moab. But yeah, I thought this would be pretty easier, much easier to eat than the Moab, and I actually did better at the Moab. Not sure what happened. My teeth were good when I did the Moab. That's what happened. Let's I think I'm good. It's not doing I kind of forgot if the rules included waiting 5 minutes. I don't think the rules are on the packaging. They're online. I don't remember if the rules included the 5-minute wait before drinking. I think it's during. I almost dropped a piece. I caught it. Yeah, I didn't drop anything. That was tough to chew, though. It wasn't easy like people told me. I have this Krazy Kimberlin bar. Join my wall of challenges back there. Even got my nose running a little. Get this up here. Here's my Moab bar. Third place Moab. I'm gonna move these and get Kimberlin bar right here. I think that's about 5 minutes. Started the timer late. I really thought I was gonna do better, man. Sorry, dudes. Cheers. Great piece of chocolate, both bars. They make me wish I had a couple to just enjoy slowly. Thinking of doing the Moab again. Maybe this one again. Who knows? A lot of these guys done them a bunch of times. Russ, I think Yaya Ismi is gonna attempt the Moab soon. I think. And maybe this one. So Cody crushed some of these. Cody's fourth in the Wall of Fame and at WilliePeace.com at the Moab. And he also crushed all 3 bars in the Axis of Evil Challenge. That was pretty awesome to see. He did the Moab Gold, the Moab, and the Krazy Kimberlin bar. Pretty good chocolate. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope I'm alright later. If not tomorrow. And see you next time.